In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the autofill password feature is not working on your iPad. Now to fix this problem, first of all, just go to the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just make sure that you have installed the Passwords app on your iPad. After you've done that, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General, and under the General Settings, just tap on Autofill and Passwords. From here, just enable the toggle for autofill passwords and passkeys. And if this feature is already enabled, just turn it off. Then wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just enable this toggle back on. After you've done that, now under Autofill Form, just to make sure you enable the toggle for passwords. And if you're using a specific browser, for an example, I have Orion over here, just enable the toggle for the browser which you're using. Then finally, in Setup Codes In, just tap on this section and select the Passwords app. After you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then under the main settings page, just tap on your Apple ID and tap on iCloud. From here, just tap on Save to iCloud. Now on this page, just tap on Passwords and Keychain. And from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Sync this iPad. And after you do that, you will sync all the passwords from your iCloud to your iPad. Now if you're trying to use the autofill passwords feature in the private browsing section, so this feature might not work. Now if you're trying to use the autofill password feature in private browsing, just go out of private browsing and try to use it in normal browsing mode. But if this also did not work, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix if the autofill passwords feature is not working on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.